something fun to do today. Something fun, a bit of a challenge if you will.
Yes.
And for the winner, there's going to be a mystery prize. Mystery prize. Yes, mystery prize. Yeah, so there's going to be a mystery prize. And what we're doing today is we're going to do a bit of a blind taste test challenge. So that's why you've all got your lovely
Blindfold.
I'm asking.
Mine's Bobo because I love JoJo.
So you've got Bobo, and you've got a unicorn, and you have some
A rabbit.
Rainbow rabbit.
Rainbow Rabbit.
Rainbow rabbit. So guys, what we've got is we've actually got a bunch of different Pringles.
Yes.
Different flavours, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a blind taste test to see how many you can identify.
Oh my gosh, I'm really excited.
Okay, so some of these flavours will be familiar to you, so some of them you're definitely going to know. I'm pretty confident.
I have tried quite a lot of them, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be so sure on some others.
No, I've deliberately got some that I know that you know.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So I will expect you to get those, and some that I know you definitely have never had.
Now I'm really hungry. No one's on.
You're hungry for Pringles?
Mouth is drooling.
Well, that's good because we've got a bunch of them. So what we're going to do is going to send two of you out of the room,
Oh, okay.
and we're going to do it one
And we
at
go
a
first.
time. Everybody cool with Isla going first?
Okay, I want to go first, but
Yeah?
I'll let her out.
Isla first, then who wants to go second?
I'll go.
Oh.
I let you.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a baby by its toe. If you let it go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Oh, shucks. Oh, shucks. Never mind. You'll get a go in the end, won't you?
Yeah.
Right, so Isla's going to be going first. So you two guys, leave the room, please.
I'm so excited!
Okay, those guys. You've lost your blindfold. Right, those two guys have gone into the other room now, so there's not going to be any cheating. And are you ready for your first Pringle?
Yes.
Okay, put your mask down. Okay, it's going to be this one. Right, okay then, Isla, here's your first potato chip. Reach out and grab it. There it is. Taste that and tell me what you think it is.
What?
What flavour do you think it is?
I don't know.
No ideas? Really? Not even
I remember this tasting this, but I didn't know the name of it.
Okay, try another one. Try another one. This is the same flavour, just another one, just to get your taste buds going. Any ideas?
Plain?
Have a guess. You going with plain?
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, plain? Plain?
Yeah.
Really?
Got it.
Okay. Okay, Isla. Next flavour coming up. And there you go.
Spicy.
It's not spicy.
It is spicy to me.
That's not a spicy.
Barbecue?
Barbecue? Is that your final answer?
Barbecue. Yeah, barbecue.
You going with barbecue?
Yeah.
Okay. Next flavour.
I've got the first one wrong one because this tastes like plain. This is like plain.
And that's plain too.
Yeah. Or sour cream.
So what's this one? Plain or sour cream?
Plain. Actually,
Wait.
sour cream.
We think it's sour cream?
Yeah. I think it's sour cream. Like that.
That was a cat. Random cats on the table. Okay. For the people at home, next flavour is going to be this. There you go.
Prawn cocktail.
Prawn cocktail. No doubt.
A real prawn cocktail.
Right. Right, so for folks at home, that's the next flavour. There you go, Isla.
Oh.
We broke it. Thoughts?
What's this? I don't know. It tastes the same as the second one.
So what do you think it is?
There can't be two barbecues. What is this?
So you like it, but you're not sure what flavour it is.
Yes.
See, it's tough with a blindfold on, isn't it? So go on, have a guess. I mean, it could be barbecue. It could be that you got the other
Barbecue
one.
ribs.
Maybe you got the other one wrong.
Barbecue ribs.
Maybe you got the other one wrong though.
Barbecue ribs.
Barbecue ribs.
Yes.
Okay, we'll move on. So next flavour for everyone at home is going to be this. Now I'm pretty confident you're going to get this one.
Vinegary.
Vinegary.
Yeah.
So, what flavour is it?
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar. Okay.
Yes.
Move on. Is that your final answer?
Mm-hmm.
To everybody at home, this is the next flavour. There you go. Wanna take it? What flavour is that one? What flavour is it?
Very salted.
Yeah.
It's boy.
I'm not even going to pretend that he's not. So this is going to be the next one. Okay. There you go. Got it?
Spicy.
I think it's a bit spicy, that one. It's very, they're not really spicy. I wouldn't class those as spicy. You don't like it?
No.
What flavour do you think it is? If you had to guess.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno? Okay guys, so the next flavour is this one. The last two flavours are a little spicy, but I have asked Isla if she wants to try them anyway, and yeah, she said yeah, she does want to try them. So I haven't told her what flavour they are, just that they're going to be a little spicy. So next flavour is going to be this one. So there you go, Isla. Reach out, there you go, got it? Okay. What do you think? No, it's not. Now that's not that hot. The next one's a little bit hotter than that one. Do you want to try it or not?
This is that chili pepper.
You think it's chili pepper?
Yeah.
do you want to try the last one? Because the last one's probably the spiciest.
I will try it.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
My tongue is even burning from the last one.
So you definitely want to try this one? This one's probably a little spicier, okay?
Okay.
It's the only clue I'm giving you, so for the folks at home you can see what it is. Isla, if you're ready, there we go.
I will try.
There it is, okay?
3, 2.
I'm going to try a bit.
Same with last time.
You can get thick as well. What flavour do you
It's
think?
a jalapeno.
It's a jalapeno?
It's so hot.
Okay, you're done. Let's go get your drink. Right then, so now it's Ava's turn.
I'm nervous.
Ava, you ready? You nervous?
Yeah.
Nothing to be nervous about, just some snack foods.
Okay.
You ready for your first one?
Yeah.
Okay, put your mask down.
Mhm.
No cheating.
Nope, I'm not
Okay.
cheating. I am not looking.
Now,
Where's my eyes?
for folks at home, this is going to be the first flavour. So keep your mask down. Keep your mask down at all times, okay? Because I don't need to see what we're going through, okay? I'll get the first chip. There you go, reach out. It's in front of you.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, you got it. Take a bite. What do you think?
I've tasted this before. I can't remember the name now.
Yeah, we definitely have to.
Yeah. Is it paprika?
You want paprika?
It just tastes similar.
Okay. Okay, folks at home, this is the next one. Ava, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, try that one.
A little bit.
Flavour.
Ugh.
Flavour, do you think that one is?
Oh. Wait. Wait, let me just have another bite. Is it called cocktail?
You're asking me, you're telling me. Is that your answer?
Yeah.
Okay, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell you don't find out till right at the end. Okay. Right then guys, this is going to be the next one. Ava, you ready? You're not cheating, are you?
I'm not cheating.
Okay.
I have my eyes.
Alright, I believe you.
Those things taste the sniff.
Smelling it first.
This is getting kind of hard now. I have no idea what this is. I don't have a clue.
No?
No.
How are you?
No. Is it the sour cream?
You going with sour cream?
Yeah.
Okay. Right then, so this is the next one.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
I held it up in front of you then, like you can see it. You couldn't.
Oh, I already know it.
Go on, what is it?
Plain.
I think it's plain. So this is is the next one.
Oh, the next
There you go. Chip is in front of you. There you go.
Wait. Identifying. Is it barbecue?
Is that your last answer?
Yeah.
Okay, go with barbecue.
I really don't know if they make Pringles called barbecue, but it tastes like it.
So this is going to be the next one.
Okay.
And the cat. There we go, the cat.
Pearly, where are you?
She's over there. Right, okay, here's your chip.
Wait, it's still going to be my Pringle.
Pearly's not your Pringles. Nothing will be cat flavoured.
Wait, I've definitely tried this before.
Yeah, you definitely.
Don't get me wrong.
You definitely tried it.
There's no point in me doing this one, I don't know what it is.
So you're not going to have a guess at all?
No, I won't bother because even if I guess...
So that's
I'll get it
pass.
wrong.
Are you passing?
Yeah, I am.
So this is the next one. Here you go.
Ooh. I know that tastes too well.
What flavour is that one?
It's paprika.
Paprika, you mean paprika?
I mean, yeah. I don't have to say it.
Well, I'm trying to make a video. So is that your final answer?
That's paprika.
So this is the next one.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. Got it?
Yep.
Ooh.
Is there something to do with like cheese or something like that? Onion. Oh, sour cream. Oh.
Is that your answer?
Yeah.
Definitely?
It could be. I'm really not sure on this. I'll call it as a sour cream.
Okay, Ava, the next two flavours are slightly spicy.
Okay. I like spicy.
I know you like spicy, but I just thought I'd check. Okay, because you do have the option of opting out of these
Okay.
if you don't want to try them. But
Ava's
no,
in for anything.
Isla did try them. She didn't like them. She definitely tried them.
I
okay?
heard it.
Okay, right. Okay, so the first one is going to be this. There you go.
Oh, there we go.
There you go, you got it.
That's hot.
I think that one's hot.
Right, this has something like hot pepper in it. Is it jalapeno or something like that?
Jalapeno?
Yeah, jalapeno.
Sure?
Yeah.
So bad you're having another bite. You like it though? You like it? You like spicy, right?
Yeah, I'm on fire right now. My mouth's on fire.
Okay, so last but not least, this is probably a little bit spicier than that last one.
Oh.
Are you sure you want to do it?
Yes, I'm up for it.
Okay. There you go.
Give me.
Okay.
Oh, you can't do this to me. Even the smell smells spicy.
They're not that bad. I've tried them.
Okay.
What do you think? Do you think that's hotter than the other one or less?
Oh, my mouth can't tell, but my mouth is definitely burning.
Your teeth are sweating.
This must have some sort of spicy chili in it. What a feeling is what's been on it is like some jalapeno and then some spicy chili.
Final answer?
Yep, that's my final answer.
Okay. Right, well that's you done. Let's get Olivia in. Okay then, Olivia.
Yeah.
The other two have had their go. Are you ready? You gonna put your blindfold on?
Yeah, I'm a unicorn.
You're a unicorn. You ready for the first one?
Yeah.
Okay, coming up. Hey, were you peeping? Were you peeping? I think there's gonna be some foul play afoot. Right, so for the people at home, this is what the first flavour is. If Olivia gets all these right, we know she's definitely cheating.
Ah,
You don't know? No ideas? None? Come on, you gotta have a guess. Try another bite. Come on, you're like Mrs. Crisps. You eat more snacks than anyone I know.
I know.
You gonna pass? Keep your blindfold down, please. No cheating, Mrs. Are you passing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go on to the next one. So for the folks at home, this is the next flavour. Here you go, Olivia. Right out in front of you. You got it?
Plain?
Did you?
No, I didn't peek.
Are you sure?
I didn't peek.
Oh no. I don't know about the integrity of that blindfold. There might be some cheating going on, guys. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. You going with plain? Plain?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is the next flavour. Olivia has just had an official warning off camera because we think she might be cheating. Are you ready?
I hope
Are you ready?
it's not spicy.
Yeah. No, there's no spicy ones for you. I know you don't like the spicy ones.
I don't know.
I get the feeling there might be a lot of I don't know. This is the next flavour. Here you go, right in front of you. Got it? What was that face? Come on. You know what that is.
I think it's plain.
Plain? Really? Taste it again. I'll give you a clue, it's not plain.
I don't know.
You don't know? Are we going to pass again?
Yeah.
This is going to be the next flavour for Olivia. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum.
Here you go. In front of, on the table, you got it? Try that. Did you just move your mask down the way down?
I don't know.
I like the way you're cheating, but it's not helping. No
I
ideas?
just don't know.
No ideas?
No.
Olivia, what has happened? Olivia has been disqualified for repeatedly peeping out of a mask. She's a cheeky monkey and she just wants to eat the original flavoured ones, don't you? She just wants some plain Pringles. She's like, can I just eat plain Pringles now?
I'll just snack. I'll
Right,
snack.
so you're out. You're out, so it's between Isla and Ava as to who got the most points. We'll have to count them up and see. And then you guys have been counting up how you did while you lot have been eating snacks.
Yeah, we've been eating snacks.
Now, we know how you did.
You would
Disqualified.
You got one, and then you got kicked out of the competition.
Because you like this, right? Imagine if I'm Olivia. She literally went like this.
And then we're like this.
And then she couldn't go like this. And we were like, we can see you peeking.
We can see you cheating, Olivia.
We were behind to see it, to look out if Olivia was peeking or not.
Yeah, she was definitely peeking. Now then, so
We knew it.
it was between you two guys, okay? So you both tried all the flavours, including the spicy ones. I think it's very brave because I don't think you don't really like spicy stuff, do you? Because
Nope.
You do, don't you? Well, you do. You do, Ava. I've seen you be eating hot wings at the weekend. I saw you.
Oh yeah. I'm eating hot wings.
Oh, the hot wings. Okay, so I've counted up all things, and out of a possible 10 correct answers, Isla got 5 right.
No.
So well done, Isla. 5 out of 10, I think, is a pretty respectable score. It's harder than you think, isn't it? Because you think, oh, I'd easily be able to guess that, but once you've got that blindfold on, some of them flavours pretty similar. Ava, how do you think you did? Do you think you did it better or worse than that? Worse?
I feel like I hadn't got any answers at all.
Should I just tell you?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ava, out of a possible 10 correct answers, you also got 5.
That was 10. So we got 10 altogether.
You got 10 between you, yeah. And funnily enough, some that you knew right away, like salt and vinegar. Now I thought you would all get salt and vinegar because it's such a like strong flavour.
Yeah.
You were the only one to get salt and vinegar.
I like
you
salt
got
and vinegar.
you got paprika right away.
Paprika.
But that's because that's probably your favourite flavour, right?
Yeah, and I have tried that kind of like Pringles quite a lot. So.
Yeah, paprika's
I reckon
pretty
that
good.
tastes straight
Paprika's
away.
pretty good.
I never
You
heard.
both got sour cream and chive.
Yay!
You both got barbecue, kind of. You got.
Kind of.
You got.
I did say barbecue.
Yeah, you did. You got barbecue. And yeah, I thought you'd get cheese and onion as well. You both got plain, I think.
Yeah.
I can't remember now, but yeah, really good. So you're probably wondering what your mystery prize is.
I want to know.
Want to know what your mystery prize is?
Yeah, 2 of them.
2 of them? No, it's just going to be one mystery prize that's shared between the two. I feel like, do we get a mystery prize each? No, we don't. So your mystery prize is lots of Pringles. There you go.
Mine!
There you go, lots of Pringles. So you
Your
can
cocktails.
have the spicy ones, you can have those ones. You speak very nicely to your sisters, they might let you have some. So then guys, we hope you enjoyed this super fun video. Bit of a fun one really.
Yeah.
Not really, what a fun one. Not really a special mystery prize, it's just...
What a fun one, yo.
What a fun one, yo. Are these,
What a fun one, yo.
are these yours now? You just having those ones?
Hey! I didn't notice.
Isla is hugging her prize. So yeah guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little bit of a fun one. Did you guys have fun?
I had definitely fun because I won.
It was kind of
Well,
weird.
you drew. There's 2 winners in this game. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
And we will see you next time.
Bye. Fun family free. Bye. Pringles.
Press the screen below for more fun videos from Fun Family 3. And why don't you subscribe? And you can be a #fanatic. Thanks for watching.